Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for Big Brother Mzansi season 3 instant millionaire Mitchell Mphowabadimo Mvundla. She got married traditional to her boyfriend Themba Karabo Mabaso on Tuesday the 28th of December 2022. As you can see guys on the video, Themba family accepted Mpho in their beautiful Tsonga culture as umakoti wabo. Mphowabadimo also took it to her Instagram page to share the good news. The couple were together on Big Brother Mzansi and they confirmed they were dating June shortly after leaving Big Brother Mzansi house. Uthemba told Drum Magazine ukuthi Mphowabadimo and him have been good friends since the day they walked into that house and they are still going strong. Congratulations to the Mabasos. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and let's celebrate with them. Sesu Valanje 2022. Bye.